Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Val here, and today's video is a FabFitFun unboxing. So I love FabFitFun. I actually started FabFitFun, I think, in winter of 2019. I think my first FabFitFun box was winter 2019 or fall 2019, one of the two. And I stopped it for a while because it was getting a little expensive and I needed to prioritize my my expenses and what I was spending my money on, so I did take a pause for it. And then this year I thought, you know what, I really want to get FabFitFun again. I'm making these unboxing videos and I really enjoy unboxing FabFitFun. I also enjoy unboxing my Mindful Souls, which you've all seen. I enjoy unboxing my Ipsy bags, which you've all seen, and now it's FabFitFun. So FabFitFun is a, unlike a monthly subscription box like Mindful Souls or Ipsy, which are the two I have, it is a seasonal subscription. You can also subscribe to it yearly, so the yearly subscription, you just pay upfront for all 4 boxes. And it can save you a little bit money. I think it saves you like 50, I would have to look it up. It saves you money, because I think just paying for each box alone, it's like $54.99, I want to say. But I think when you subscribe to the yearly subscription, it is a little bit less. Okay, so $54.99 is when you, per box is when you do, no, it's $59.99 when you do seasonal. So you save $20 when you do annual, which is $219.99, just one-time payment. And then the seasonal, you don't get as many, I guess, perks as the annual. So seasonal, you can only customize 4 of the customization. I think there's 6. And then with annual, you can customize an entire box. And you get early access and earlier shipping, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm going to unbox this one. This is the spring box, and then there's a whole bunch of cake on it because it is FabFitFun's birthday, or it just passed. And a cool thing, which I will show you when we open, is they did a collab with one of my favorite companies. So I will show you that. Let me just go ahead and see when FabFitFun's birthday was. Their 10th birthday was January 10th, and that's why there's all these slices of cake on there. So we're going to go ahead and open it. I customized everything, I believe. And let's go ahead and show you what we got in our FabFitFun box for spring of 2023. Also, happy St. Patrick's Day. I've got some St. Patrick's, some clovers on in my hair, because this video is out on St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day. Now let's go ahead and open this box. Let's open this box and all its wonders. FabFitFun. This box is made out of 100% recycled craft materials. We're committed to delivering happiness and joy to your doorstep while finding ways to lighten our carbon footprint. Learn more at fff.me/sustainability. Now let's go ahead and open this. So here is a peek inside our spring 2023 box. So first we get a HelloFresh coupon. We always get these HelloFresh coupons. I think that's maybe how I started one of my HelloFresh subscriptions, but I don't know. And then we have, FabFitFun in games. Ultimate prize pack valued at $10,000. Scratch and match. Match 4 cakes in a row to win. So we might try this. Hopefully we get something. Next, we're going to open what we got in the box. So we got this Tula Skincare Brightening Treatment Drops Triple Vitamin C Serum. This is one of the first products. This is, like I said, the Tula Skincare brightening treatment drops with probiotics and superfoods. So I did want to try this to use a new serum, try new serums. And then next up we have, so we'll take this out. Ooh, this feels nice. Okay, so this is the Katie Kimes set of 2 berry colanders. So I like to get, what I love about FabFitFun is that you can get stuff for your home, you could get stuff for your skincare, for your, for beauty, and what else? Clothing and accessories. So I think FabFitFun is a great subscription box. And it's fun. It is fun to open and stuff. So first we got these little berry colanders, and it's a set of 2. So we've got navy blue, and this is, like I said, the brand is Katie Kimes. And then we've got light blue. This is like a bigger one, so you could put like maybe strawberries in here, and maybe like blueberries or blackberries in the other one. And this will be a nice little set to, maybe I'll want to eat my berries more often and actually finish them, because sometimes I don't finish them. Next up we have this. This is a Summer in Rose. Now this is, I think, is a little picnic blanket, and I can open it for all of you. The apartments that I live in have a cute little area, like turf for, I mean, I don't know what it's for, but I personally use it for, like, as a picnic area. And this is a blanket, it's round. Oh, it would be perfect to have a little picnic on. It's like a microfiber kind of thing, and this would be perfect to have a picnic on. So I'm excited for this. Next up, we have, now this is, actually we're going to say this one first. Next up we have the Zoe Ayla Spa Headband. And actually, I've been wanting one of these for when I wash my hair. Okay, so I meant to say I've been wanting one of these since whenever I wash my face, because instead of putting up my hair will start getting wet in the front. And I know these ones they'll cover up all your hair. So I did want to get one of these for that purpose, just to make sure I have all of my hair out of the way. And it's just a solid purple color, just perfect for when you wash your face. And then what's next? And the last product that we have in here is the JuneShine, I think it's a backpack. Oh yeah, it's like a little, oh, I remember what it is. It's like a little cooler bag. So this would also be cute for picnics, and you can put food in here, you can put drinks in here. So I think this would be a cute little thing to take. Ooh, and there's something in here. Just the information. So it says, JuneShine is on a mission to brew honest alcohol for a healthier planet, because you deserve to know just as much about the alcohol you drink as the food you eat. Since 2018, we've been brewing hard kombucha that's insanely delicious, low in sugar, and made with real ingredients. Then JuneShine Spirits joined the mix in 2022. Classic canned cocktail with a modern twist, and crafted with premium awards-winning spirits. So, this is like a cooler bag that you can take your drinks in, you can take food in. Perfect for the beach, or like I said, a little picnic. So I think this is gonna come quite in handy, especially since summer's coming around. And then lastly, this is one of my favorite parts. Sprinkles! So I got this because of Sprinkles. Sprinkles is my favorite cupcake place, and you'll see that in the thumbnail. I actually got they had a collab with FabFitFun, and they made a little FabFitFun cupcake, which was so cute, and it was actually really yummy. I didn't eat it on camera because I did get that cupcake a few weeks ago. I do kind of wish I could have. That would have been fun to just like take a little break and eat the cupcake while opening this box. But it's okay. It had strawberry filling and it was really yummy, like I said. And what is in here? Ooh. Perfect. I thought it was just going to be a few, but it's a set of 12 silicone cupcake sleeves. So instead of you buying cupcake sleeves, I can use these. There's different colors, light pink, green, yellow, and then like a hot pink. And this will be fun to make cupcakes in. It says here, use it in a muffin tin or freestanding on baking sheet. Wash thoroughly before use. They're dishwasher safe. Do not microwave. Oven safe up to 450 degrees. Keep away from direct heat. Product will be hot when coming out of the oven. So I'm excited to use these. And then, so they have these like things right here, these little, to make it easier to grab like the cupcakes when they're done cooking, which I think is really cool. And I'm excited to use these, like I said. So here is the cupcake, little cupcake ones. And yeah, that is everything that I got in this month's FabFitFun box, or this season's FabFitFun box. Next season is going to be summer, so I'm excited to see what comes in summer's box. If you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Have a wonderful weekend. And that's Fab Friday. So FabFitFun days, their hashtags gonna be Fab Friday. Mindful Souls is Mindful Monday. And then Ipsy is Ipsy Wednesdays. So stay tuned for more unboxing videos from me. And I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.